Hello, today I will guide you on how to create progress charts in Excel. Want to make a progress chart like this? Follow these simple steps. Select your data, including the progress and the remaining portion. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts group, choose the donut chart. A donut chart will appear on the sheet. Click to select the chart title and delete it. Click to select the legend and delete it as well. Adjust the size of the chart by dragging its corners. Drag the chart to your desired location. Triple-click the orange portion of the donut chart to select it. Change the fill color from orange to light gray. Then select the remaining portion and change its fill color to orange. Go to the Format tab on the ribbon. Click Text Box and draw one in the center of the donut chart. With the text box selected, click on the formula bar, type the equal sign, and then click the cell containing the actual percentage. Press Enter. The text box will now display the linked percentage. Resize and center the text box within the donut chart. Now you have a working progress chart. That's it. You've created a visual progress tracker using a donut chart in Excel. Thanks for following along and see you in the next tutorial.